It's not so much a question of if this will happen anymore, but rather more a question of exactly when.
Today, top U.S. health officials warning of disruptions to everyday life because of the spread of the coronavirus. They could not say whether that spread would be mild or severe, just that Americans should be ready for things like schools closing, canceling mass gatherings, and requiring employees to work from home.
ABC 15's Nicole Grigg talking with a former top state health official who used to help put these kinds of plans in place for outbreaks just like this.
We've had to close schools before for, some outbreaks.
Dr. Dave Ingenthaler with TGen has been working on creating a test for coronavirus. He used to work for the state's Department of Health and was the public health emergency response coordinator who would help put plans into action.
So when they do things like suggest potentially closing schools or canceling public events, the whole goal there is just to try to slow the virus down. It doesn't mean that we're preparing for, a Hollywood-style outbreak.
He says the closures are not to scare people.
When it was pandemic flu, there were schools that were closed, and it was really just to respond to lower the amount of disease that spread in the community.
The coronavirus test TGen is working on is still in the works. They say if the coronavirus does turn into a pandemic, it will likely speed up the process for getting approval.
We anticipate there's going to be more interest now as these discussions are happening about potentially this being a pandemic.
Personal hygiene still the best way to protect yourself.
Washing our hands with soap and water, using hand sanitizer, not going out in public, going to school, going to work when you're sick.
In Phoenix, Nicole Grigg, ABC 15, Arizona.
And we have more tips to keep you and your family safe on the homepage of abc15.com.